Namaskar, friends. This is Shekhar Mainil here. Today, we'll be discussing and showing you also how to improve your kidney health because those that is essential for body functions because it eliminates toxins and everything else. So, and of course, if impaired kidney health causes blood pressure problems and increase in creatinine level, creatinine is should not be inside the blood, it should be excreted out. But if the filtration of the kidney functions are impaired, then obviously you will have challenges, right? So how do you bust? What are the yogasanas that can completely eliminate are the creatinine busters, right? That's what it is, and improve kidney health. So this is what we will be talking about. There are about nine yogasanas. If you spend about 9 minutes every day, or you can repeat the same cycle twice, it will be extremely good for the kidney health. So this is what it is. First one is Padhastasan. Padhastasan means you are touching your hand palms to the feet. So directly like that. Most people will not be able to do this much, but stretch as much as possible, right? Like that. This is first one. And then is Adhomukh Svanasana, which means almost like a mountain pose, you call it, right? This is second one, Adhomukh Svanasana and Paschimottanasana. Now, yes, doing the sitting yogasanas here. Paschimottanasana is like this. You go ahead. It's the same thing as a standing, but it is this one is a sitting pose. Touch your feet like that. Most people will not be able to do this much also. Keep stretching, keep stretching, keep stretching. And the stretch should always be at the hip level and this portion level, right? So it is the Manipura chakra that is basically affected in high blood pressure. So if this chakra is activated, then all the kidney functions, intestine function, everything will be good. Uh, the fourth one is Setu Bandhasan. Setu Bandhasan is like this. Stretch all your legs like that. Bring it, bend your knees, bring it close to the your body so that it touches your middle finger here and lift your body up like that. So when you're lifting it up like that, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So you do this 10 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Now you can increase the degree of difficulty by inhaling and hold. The exercise is basically for the abdomen. Okay. So this is Setu Bandhasan and there is a Naukasan. You sit like this and lift your leg and lift your hand like this. This is Naukasan. Okay. Do this and Bhujangasana, which means when you are like Salamba means in the with the help of your hand, do the Bhujangasana like this. Like stretch your back real good so that it can affect your abdomen also like this. Then there is Balasan Bhujangasana. This is Balasan. This is one of my most favorite yogasanas. I think it has all the benefits that you can get to make sure that your abdomen is taken care of very well. Balasan, in this what you do is exhale, 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 and hold. Inhale and hold. Exhale and hold. Inhale and again hold. Right? So if you do this, if you don't do anything, if you can just do this one, it has such a tremendous benefit. Make sure that your head touches your the floor and your it completely exhale so that the thighs presses your abdomen. Right? This is important. Now the last one is Ardha Matsyendrasana. Ardha Matsyendrasana is either you sit like this and get your a left leg on the side of your knee of right leg and then go ahead like that. Take the right hand and touch your right knee like that. Completely breathe out and hold. The entire spine get twisted like this. I'll show you the other side like that. The leg which is straight, that's the hand you take and touch your left knee like that. Now this yogasan can be also done with this position also, right? Same thing. The right leg and the left hand, that's what it should be. Across. Not like this. Don't do it like that. Do it across like that. And the opposite, this one. So do these 7, 8, 9 yogasans, and I bet you kidney function will improve, blood pressure will be gone forever, and creatinine will be gone forever also. Drink enough water though, right? Lot of water to flush the kidney with junk, right? And the filtration problem with junk is there. So it's almost like these yogasans are like Drano, right? When you put it in your uh, different faucets, I mean, all the junk is gone. No? That's what it does. And of course, eat beetroot every day one beetroot minimum, right? And of course, press the center of your hand like this. The palms, this is where uh, the pressure points for kidney, right? So activate the kidney for this. Keep pressing it like 10, 20 times, really strong, hard enough. And that will take care of all your challenges. Thank you very much. And you have a great health and creatinine free life and no blood pressure problem, right? Thank you.